Hi folks, this is my bit for Ron T Sawyer. Check out his channel. We're trying to get Ron up to 300 followers. So join and check out Ron. Really good channel. I'm subscribed to him for a long time. You got to do better. You do more shorts. Fill out your whole thing. I'll explain that in another video. But people, if you're trying to get uh, more followers and stuff, please completely fill your home section, your videos, playlists, community. Community has a new thing called shorts. So you make a minute video and explain what's going on. Be sure to fill out your home page and have a header. Good luck, Ron. Please check out Redneck Renegade's video on the contest he's holding. I have to bypass because current events have caused me to really go things in overdrive. Not fear porn, but everybody should take a serious, good look around you before El Presidente for life, Nancy Pelosi, makes us into a banana republic. Catch you later, folks. You have a nice day.